Going on YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing the window regulator on my W220 Mercedes. I just looked back at all the footage that I took of doing this job and I realized I'd lost some footage, so you're not going to see me removing the door panel or installing the regulator, but you'll see me drilling out one of the rivets and then you'll see me transferring over the pieces. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You'll be able to fill in the pieces on your own. So just wanted to let you guys know that. And yeah, overall easy job. You need a T20, T30, obviously a rivet gun, a drill bit, and a drill. And that should be it. Maybe a hair dryer so you can loosen the goo on the insulation on the door. But yeah, other than that, it's a very straightforward job, and enjoy the video. All right, couldn't find any information online on how to do this, so we're gonna try it out. But we're gonna remove these screws for the motor. I'm gonna hold the glass just in case it falls for some reason. Here's the glass all the way down. Now I'm wondering, is it the regulator or the motor that's broken? Let's see if it works. Okay, it's moving. The motor works. We may now continue with removing the regulator. Let's go ahead and look at our new regulator, see how it works. Okay, looks like this screw. So there is a screw, but it's not like traditional regulators where the screw goes through the glass, or if it presses against the glass, this screw just holds a mount which clips up to the glass, which you will see later. Oh wow, so I don't even have the screw. Oh, it does, it's just not holding it anymore. Okay, let's get some tape, tape the window up. Okay, right now we're going to drill out these rivets. I apologize for the video skipping around quite a bit, but at this point you can see I have the new window regulator installed. There's just 3 rivets you need to remove. To remove it, it just slides right out. Then you install the new one, install the rivets, and as you can see here, I'm removing the clip from the old window regulator. You're going to have to install that on the new one. That's what clips onto the window and holds it securely. So without that, you won't be able to complete the job. So you have to remove it and transfer it over. And place it on the new one. Perfect. Looks like that's in.
Nice. Now to throw in the motor. T30 screws, put in the regulator, the motor. Get a zip tie. Now to reassemble. Let's put on that paper gooey thingy. Insulation. Then we want to reinstall the door panel after this piece, of course. First things first, hook up the door handle latch. All right, I did not show you guys the end because I ran out of storage, but I got it back together. Now it operates again as a one touch as well. It's normalized. We normalized it, so there we go. I hope that was easy for you guys to follow along, and thank you guys for watching. Please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.